pot and put all the dishes in.
Okay, perfect. All right, thank you. You gonna put your apron on?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Hey, babe. Okay, so you gotta give the lid. Yeah.
I don't know the name of it.
Okay. Oops, I'm zoomed on your face.
Maybe Lex can tell us.
So the spicy and numbing hot pot soup has lots of chilies, Sichuan pepper, and lots of aromatic different spices, and they cook and boil it down into like an oil and spice base, and then they add some like different kind of broth to it. So you can see on the right hand side is the spicy side, and for people like me who don't like spicy, we've got the left hand side, which is not quite so hot.
Different. I can explain which one is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is sesame.
Okay.
Sesame
Do
sauce.
you mind if I'm filming you?
Oh, that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. This is sesame sauce, mushroom, and pepper. It's a little, spicy.
Spicy
Yeah.
sesame seed. Okay.
Yeah. It's garlic. It's veggies.
Okay.
Onion. Yeah. Green onion. Peanut. As
Yep.
well. This is vinegar sauce.
Okay.
This is like the sugar and salt. If you feel like it's not very salty,
Okay.
and there's salt in salt and oil. You can choose which one you like.
Okay. So we take it out of the pot and put it in our own individual bowls, and then we can come and add this after. Is that or you
That's okay. That's
or you
okay.
do it or are we supposed to do it right into the pot?
Usually we have to take the bowl, mix together.
Yeah.
After take it there, after boil well, put all the stuff in it.
Okay.
And eat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. There's more.
Bowls here. Okay. Perfect.
If you like spicy, this one is a little bit garlic in the pepper. Yeah, spicy garlic.
Spicy.
Right.
Hello, boys. Wow, look at this. I don't even know where to begin. Hello. Hi, nice to meet you.
He was responsible for all of this.
Beautiful.
Hot pot in China is a traditional Chinese food.
Yep.
Maybe have the 300 to 400 years that's before ago. Chinese people making that eating this one.
Okay.
That's one the hot pot is a hot pot inside. It's different soup. The
Yep.
soup inside have give some the meat, lamb, meat and beef, and some vegetable, and some Chinese traditional food. It's like the Mao Du Sichuan Chinese, Sichuan Chinese food, all from China.
Okay.
nice.
So everything's okay.
Yeah. Seaweed and fungus, all from China.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
This is
Beautiful.
very traditional to have in the center of the table.
Yes.
Like to have this.
Yes.
New friends. You will have seen them on my birthday video. So as you can see, they just kept bringing so many different ingredients. There's like all sorts of different thinly sliced meats. There's egg dumplings and tofu and sea urchins and leafy vegetables. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. It was such an incredible feast. We really, really enjoyed it.
You have, I can tell you, okay?
Okay. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching this short and sweet video. Have you ever tried hot pot, or would you?